After my Gilas stint, when our contract expired, no, the entire team was revamped, no, the entire coaching staff. Tama-tama naman, the former team manager of San Beda, si Boss Mike Abani, he resigned as team manager. So since I was already part of the MVP group, being part of the Gilas program, si Coach Chot Reyes recommended me kay Boss MVP, no, to fill up that position na naiwan ni Boss Mike. So si Boss MVP called me up and asked if I would be willing to take the job. At first, I wasn't very happy, because I wanted to coach. I wanted to continue my coaching career, especially coming from the national team. So, I had higher goals as a coach. But the position was offered to me as team manager, and since San Beda is my alma mater, so tinanggap ko. Saka syempre, si Boss MVP yung tumawag sa akin. I really couldn't say no to him, considering how much he has given to the school. So I accepted the job. And then doon na nagsimula. That was in 2012. And up to now, I'm still the team manager. So ibig sabihin, na-enjoy ko rin siya. Kaya tumagal din ako dito.